Legendary Marketer's 15-Day Online Business Builder Challenge. My name is Peter Eschiet Sr. and in this video, I want to take you through the Legendary Marketer's 15-Day Online Business Builder Challenge and to also inform you of the benefits of going through the challenge. What is Legendary Marketer 15-Day Challenge? Legendary Marketer 15-Day Online Business Builder Challenge is a program where you'll learn each day something new about making money online. Legendary Marketer is an online training company which has made over $200 million in sales. Dave Sharp is a founder of Legendary Marketer, and he was recently featured in Entrepreneur magazine alongside other notable digital marketers like Gary Vaynerchuk. Legendary Marketer helps people like you start an online business or grow an existing business using highly leveraged and cutting-edge marketing strategies and business models. I came across Legendary Marketer 15-Day Challenge when I was watching some YouTube videos about online business. I found that many YouTubers stated in their video description something like this: "My #1 recommendation to make a full-time income online." I didn't pay attention to that for some time. Still, after I started to see that many YouTubers said the same in their video description, I finally clicked the link, and that's how I discovered Legendary Marketer. I'm always a little skeptical when I see offers like that, but on the other hand, I noticed that many people I know are the most honest ones recommend Legendary Marketer. I think there must be something to it. One thing bothered me, though. It was the fact that if you want to promote their course, you had to buy their course. Of course, there is nothing wrong with buying online courses, don't get me wrong. It's just that if you only buy the course that you can promote it forward. It creates an endless loop. Thus, it looked to me that this is one of those systems that they get people in, and only what you'll learn is how to promote the same course to new people and so forth. I'm not too fond of this kind of system because there is no real value to people. However, Legendary Marketer has changed its policy, and now they allow people to promote their products without buying. Now the people who buy those courses are the people who want to learn what is inside the course and not the ones who want only to promote their course. Because of this, I wanted to give them a try, so I clicked their link and ended up on their sales page and watched Dave's video, and enrolled in the program for just $7. How did I find Legendary Marketer 15-Day Online Business Builder Challenge? Legendary Marketer 15-Day Online Business Builder Challenge is an awesome training program, and you'll have massive value for just $7 investment. Legendary Marketer will assign a business advisor for you. That is how they operate. You need to schedule a call with your business advisor to unlock the remaining days and complete the actual challenge. What will happen during those calls? Your business advisor will show you what is inside the Legendary Marketer different programs. It will help you to decide if you want to buy their bigger course. Legendary Marketer offers many different high-end courses, and to see what inside of them, you need to schedule a call with your business advisor. Overview of the course. I'm trying to give you an overview of what other courses Legendary Marketer is also offering. Legendary Marketer has a program called the Marketers Club, which is a monthly membership program. It is a $30 per month program with live masterclasses and all the previous classes recordings. Legendary Marketer also has premium courses, so-called business blueprints. These are step-by-step courses for different business models: affiliate marketing, digital products, coaching and consulting, and event and masterminds. These courses are not cheap. They are priced at $2,500 each, but Legendary Marketer is offering now the whole package, 4 courses, at a $2,500 price tag. Legendary Marketer 15-Day Online Business Builder Challenge has a new teaching video each day and a few assignments that you need to do to proceed to the next day. The videos are very high quality, and they contain a lot of value for you. Ultimately, Legendary Marketer 15-Day Online Business Builder Challenge is a program which gives you the knowledge and the tools to set up your online business. If you are a beginner who wants to start an online business, I can tell you that Legendary Marketer 15-Day Online Business Builder Challenge is not a scam. It is a legit program where you can learn real methods on how to make money online. I have an online business, and I'm utilizing what Legendary Marketer is teaching. so I can say that what they teach works because they work for me. If you are a beginner, the best thing you can do is focus on one business model, whether it is affiliate marketing or something else. Stop watching all those YouTube videos and educate yourself with the proven system, and it is 100% working. Pick one that is the best match for you, commit yourself, and take action every day and see results. Stop finding the easiest method or get rich quick method because those methods don't exist. The key to success is to focus on one method and to master it. What Legendary Marketer provides is guidance to cut the learning curve and a community that is on the same journey you are. An outline of the 15-day online business builder challenge. Each day I'll cover the next step to starting your high-ticket freelance digital marketing business. Day 1. The #1 secret to starting and scaling a high-ticket business. Day 2. The Core 4 High-Ticket Business Models Online. Day 3. Watch me build a business in under 30 minutes. Day 4. How to master the inner game of wealth. Day 5. The big day, developing your business plan. Day 6. You got questions, and I got answers. Day 7. When should I quit my job to build my business full-time? Day 8. What are high-income skills and why do you need them? Day 9. High-income skill number 1 lead generation. Day 10. High-income skill number 2 copywriting. Day 11. High-income skill number 3 sales and presenting. Day 12. What, when, and where to outsource. Day 13. Using OPM to build your business. Day 14 to 4 ways to avoid wantrepreneur syndrome. Day 15. Your first sale and the journey of your success. Take action right now, and take the first step to start your own online business. If you act quickly, you will have access to these fantastic bonuses provided by Legendary Marketer. Click the link in the description to join now. Bonus package offered by Legendary Marketer. Bonus number 1 a customized high-ticket business plan. Now that you have the core information and training you need, we'll help you create your own customized business plan. You now have clarity on exactly what you want and how to achieve it, step by step. This is what you've been missing that's been holding you back, until now. Bonus number 2 FB Ads Templates. Facebook is the hottest advertising platform on earth right now, so I'll give you templates complete with image and text examples of some of my students' highest converting ads to ensure you get results and stay compliant. Bonus number 3 high-ticket email templates. The bedrock of every high-ticket purchase is establishing trust and delivering value. Use these email templates to do that for you. Bonus number 4 high-ticket video scripts. Knowing what to say and how to stay can sometimes be overwhelming. With these video scripts, you'll know exactly what to say and how to say it so you can build your brand and have a long-lasting high-ticket business. These will make you look like a rock star on video. Bonus number 5 high-ticket phone scripts. Use these powerful phone scripts, or train someone, to enroll new high-ticket clients into your business effortlessly and without being slimy or salesy. These scripts will give you the exact words to say to make enrolling new high-ticket clients simple, easy, and effective. Bonus number 6 personal one-on-one business plan consultation with an advisor from my team. Legendary Marketer has an experienced and professional team of advisors that you can book a call with and get the personalized care and attention you've been missing. Ask questions and get helpful tips to avoid costly mistakes and achieve success as fast as possible. Bonus number 7 a copy of my top converting high-ticket affiliate marketing funnel. Dave Sharp is going to load a copy of his actual pages into your ClickFunnels. If you don't have one, you can take a free trial through my special link. This is the same sales funnel page builder I use to run all my campaigns. My Legendary Marketer 15-day challenge bonus package online business has changed my life, and it can change yours too. Affiliate marketing is the #1 business model to start in 2021. By joining the 15-day challenge, you can begin learning the skills fast and start implementing those into your own online business. If you take action and don't quit, you can see similar results as I have got. This is just an example of one of my affiliate programs, where I have utilized the learnings from Legendary Marketer. Legendary Marketer 15-day online business builder challenge is a great program and the best way to get started right here, right now, for just $7. Click the link in the description now to join the challenge. So what are you waiting for? Don't wait for the optimal moment because it will never come. The best time to start is now, and learn during the process and begin implementing. Do you know what are the 2 biggest reasons why people fail in their online business? 1. They never start. 2. They quit before they succeed. Hit the button below. Grab the course and turn a new page in your life. Click to the link in the description below to join the 15-day online business builder challenge from the official website and get the bonuses. I have included a link in the description for you to get the funnels, software and the 15-day online business builder challenge as well as the rapid profit funnel to market your product. Click the links to grab your copy as well as the funnels. Click the button below to learn more. Please kindly subscribe to my channel and give me a like if this video was of any value to you. Comment, share and smash the notification icon to get notified once I upload a new video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.